So yeah, what's up, boys? I'm Rafael Pasine. I'm a Systems Analysis and Development student at UCL University in Serra, Espírito Santo, Brazil. And I created an algorithm where it solves some problems about school material loan management system. So yeah, how does it work? Let me execute the code. And here it says welcome to the school material law system, and enters the student name, so I will enter the student name like my name, and it says to me to fill with my institutional email, so let me put it. Okay, now it says the items that are available for loan. Choose pencil and eraser. Now it says the options. Show loan details, renew loan, is it? So let me show loan details here. Oh, as you can see, student Rafael Pasine, institutional email, borrowed items, pencil and eraser, loan date, return date. It's within 50 days here. No fines at the moment. So if I renew it, it renews, loan renews for another 15 days. And I can see the details again. It says the new date. And if I place to renew again, it doesn't work because I can't renew two times. It's only one time that I can renew. And then I will exit the program, and yeah, that's how it works. Thanks for watching.